Hello Fly Babies, it's me FlyLady Kat, and I'm here today to give you peace in your life, control in your home, and to learn how to finally love yourself. Today is Friday. We have a 3-layer cake, routines, basic weekly plan, car and purse day, zone, front door, front porch, back porch, foyer, dining room if it's close, and or stairway. So that's what you're going to be working on. We've had the whole week to work on it, 4 jobs. Don't worry, it's going to get done because you're going to do it every single solitary month, and your house will always be clean. You will not be spring cleaning ever again because you're doing it in micro increments. So it's awesome and it's fun. When there's no clutter and you can clean something and see a difference, it's fun. Decluttering is not fun, so I want you to get the decluttering done and then keep it at bay, making sure you do 3 clutter checks a day. Morning, afternoon, and evening, and also for your children, inspect what you expect any job you give them. All right, so let's get going. We're going to do our morning routine. After the morning routine, we're going to do the children, help them with their morning routines or guide them or be firm but kind with them. And then after that, if you go to work, you're going to do a clutter check and then go on to work. Give your assignments though. When you're at work, you're going to think about the assignments that you've given your children, especially the delegation of the weekly home blessing hour item. You're going to give them a call to remind them, and another call on the way home so you won't be disappointed. And then when you get home, you're going to inspect what you expect. You're not going to be a crazy woman screaming and yelling. You're going to be firm but kind, and there are going to be consequences if someone has chosen not to do their thing as a belligerent act, right? All right, next, if you're staying home, you're going to oh, I forgot to tell you, if you're working, you've got to do car and purse day today. Simple, easy. You're going to go to your car on your lunch hour with a garbage bag or 2, take the garbage out, put the other things that go back in the home in another bag and leave that in the car. And then you're going to throw the garbage away, of course. And then you're also going to go through your purse. You're going to dig through there, put things where you want them to be, find the empty candy wrappers, gum wrappers, balled up Kleenex. The baby's pacifier goes in a separate bag, along with the dog squeak toy and whatever else you find in your purse that shouldn't be there, and just jam it back in your purse. When you get home, you're going to take the toys and the bag out of the car, or whatever you've got in the bag in the car, and the bag out of your purse, and put those away. That's the first thing, okay? If you're at home, you're going to remember to go do the same thing. Clean out your car, clean out your purse. If you are getting tired of cleaning out that dirty car, then just remember again, the key to keeping a car clean is your ignition. Either a key or button. When you turn off your car, that's your reminder, that's your key to look around and say, oh, my Starbucks cup and these dirty Kleenex, okay? And the baby's pacifiers on the floor. And the baby, don't forget the baby. The bigger kids who are big enough to walk and carry a dish to the dishwasher, are big enough to walk and carry the things they took into the car back out of the car. Now, if you have a younger one, say 3, and they fell asleep in the seat, you're not going to get much cooperation from them. You know how to handle your children. However, I'm telling you to expect more from your children, okay? And get the car cleaned. Take the time. Don't fret. Don't think you're in a huge hurry. Hurrying makes us be more behind. The hurrieder I don't remember how to say the word, but the hurrieder we go, the behinder we get. That's an old saying, and it's so true. So slow down, clean the car. It won't take long. And then all you have to do on this day is shake the mats, or take it to the car cleaner and get it cleaned, or take it through the run-through, whatever, and vacuum it out. You know, make it so nice. It's so much nicer. The way you feel about yourself in a clean car is such a different way that you feel when you're driving a dirty car. It just makes you feel nice. I don't know. It's just nice. Okay. Next, we're going to, so we've done our day jobs. Everybody's done their routine. They've done their basic weekly plan, which was the entryway, and we've done our zone. Now, we're going, if you're coming home from work, you're going to inspect what you expect on that job right away, and then you're going to start your laundry, go through an inch of paper, and start dinner. While dinner is simmering, you're going to go do zone 1, the entryway, 10 minutes, unless you've got to declutter. And then that's 15 minutes. And then if you're at home, you're going to make dinner. And then after dinner, everyone is going to help with the after dinner routine in the kitchen. And the next thing we have is before bed routine. So don't forget to give your children a 30-minute reminder and a 5-minute reminder that it's getting ready. It's almost time for bed. At that point, when the time comes, we're going to have a timer that goes off. Uh-oh, that's it. And make sure if they're watching a program, make sure you coordinate it. Don't let them miss the end of their show. How would you like that? All right, or a game, if they're playing a game that you know is going to take a long time, you've got to give them fair warning that at 30 minutes they have to put it on pause and pick it up tomorrow. Okay, now they're going to clean up their mess. If they've got trash, dishes, toys, games, those things, no matter how big they are, 18, 19, 20, if they still need your guidance, you're going to remind them to pick it all up. Please pick this up before you go to bed for the big ones. Don't let me come in here and find this in the morning. That's firm. It's not mean, it's firm. Don't let me come in here and find this in the morning. Pick your stuff up. There's nothing wrong with that. All right, next we're going to have the kids pick out a story or a book. Then they're going to go and make sure any little jobs that you have them doing are done now. So make sure they've made their lunch or laid their things by the door. Whatever it is that, you know, this is for all the time. This isn't just for summertime. So even if it's summertime and they're going to camp, maybe they need to bring lunch or they have to have a special thing to bring with them. Have that by the door. Make sure they do that. Their shoes are ready. Their clothes are ready. Okay, next they're going to take their bath or shower, take care of their hair, wash their face in there, make sure they're really clean. You have to inspect what you expect on those jobs too. 9-year-olds need to be smelled. Did you wash your hair or just get it wet? Go back in the shower. Let me smell your breath. I've done that so many times. Okay, back in the shower. But when they're done, they're going to wipe out the sink, make sure there's no toothpaste in the sink, their little hand towels hung up. They've hung up their bath towel so it can dry. They've put on their pajamas. Their dirty clothes are in the clothes basket or the laundry basket or the hamper. And they've picked up their toys and the bathroom looks nice. It's not wet. They've mopped the floor up if they have to. And then you can address that behavior as well. Splashing, over splashing, or not closing the curtain needs to be addressed. And then let's have a story time. So you're going to read to them 1 or 2 small books or 1 or 2 chapters of a book, your call. Or if they're big enough, they can read to their siblings or they can read to themselves. Or you might like to read aloud to all your children no matter what their age. All right, then after that, it's time for you. Now, this is date night, so go spiff yourself up a little. Date night has 2 parts on Friday. The little spiff up time and then your real date night time. So go ahead and take the shine off your nose, apply some fresh lipstick, put on some perfume, maybe change your blouse if you need to, or change your earrings. Do something that makes you feel, you know, alluring, and then go have your date, even if it's in the dining room with your husband or in the living room on the couch. And then when you're done, then you're going to come home, and no matter how late you get home, you're going to take off that makeup. If you ever looked at a microscope like 1,000 times close up on your face, you would be grossed out by the things in the little cracks and crevices, the makeup that's just floating in there and the dirt from the day. So wash that off. Wash it off. Use something gentle on your eyes to get your eye makeup off. Put on your moisturizer, a little eye cream. I always recommend that. And make sure your teeth are brushed, your PJs are on, your dirty clothes are put away, your clean clothes are hanging out to air. You've wiped out the sink, the bathroom looks nice for the morning. And then go in the kitchen, make sure that all the last minute dishes have been put in the dishwasher, there's soap in it, turn it on. Make sure the sink is wiped out and you've changed towels. Close the curtains, turn off the lights, climb in the bed and go to sleep. Have a wonderful evening, and always remember that you are beautiful.